Hello all, this is Masth Electronics. Today, we have an exciting topic, Micromouse, a robot designed to crack the maze. This is a competition where a 16x16 maze is presented. The Micromouse starts from one of the corners. And must navigate to the destination, which is enclosed by walls on all sides with only one entry. The destination can be located anywhere in the maze. The challenge is the fastest Micromouse to reach the destination wins. Now, let's see how the Micromouse finds its way to the destination using a simulation. Here, the destination is in center. Great, we saw how the Micromouse navigates in a simulation. But, are you ready to see it in action on a real maze? Here we go. Awesome! It reached the destination in just 78 seconds. Curious about the mechanism behind it? We'll break it down in the next video. Stay tuned. If you like the video, give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting things. Share your thoughts on this in the comment box. And if you want to learn anything new, please do let us know. We will try to cover that in our upcoming videos.